Hi, welcome to Astrology for Gann Traders. My name is Olga Morales. Now, I've been asked about Gann's division of eighths, and he also had division of thirds, but for this example, I'm just going to use his division of eighths. And it's basically all to do with harmonics. So the eighth harmonic is 45 degrees, and the third harmonic is 120 degrees. So that's our trines. And our semi-squares is of eighth harmonic. And when you divide them into every eighth is a specific ratio, okay? So Gann always says that the 50% or the 5/8 is the strongest point of resistance and support, and then there are all the others. And a lot of the time it gets to the 5/8, which is 6.625, and that we all know that's very similar to the Fibonacci golden ratio, which is 618, and very much related to Venus, if you know the Venus cycle. So this is another zone that happens quite a bit. So I want to go back to the Dow chart that I had on Twitter today and yesterday, and I can show you in Optuma. It's actually got the tool for you. So if you go to tools and you go down to Gann, you can see that there's division of thirds and division of eighths. So let's just click on that. And we'll go from this first move here. So what happens? You go 1, 2, 3, 4, but it actually went higher. It went just above the 5/8 there. Okay. Again, we'll do it again. Now I can actually do this one here. Let's try it. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4/8 again, just a little bit over. Okay, that's what he tells you, and it works amazingly. The more you do it, it's pretty awesome. Again, let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, just over the 50% line. Again, this June. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one made it to the 5/8. So that's the 0.625. And the last one I did actually that I just had on Twitter the other day, or yesterday, where I said there was probably going to turn because of 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just under, didn't quite make it to the 50%, which makes it quite weak. And it turned because obviously there was the CPI news and it reacted. Now these dates that I've got on this chart I've had from my composite chart that's in my OMS planetary watch, which is basically dates for the Dow Jones, and I used data from 1885 and I made a composite for 2022 according to Gann's method. So they've been working at really well, couple of days out. Some of them are exact, and the overall shape is amazing. So anyway, I hope you like the 50% or the eighths, and it's really good if you've got a date coming up and you can put this on the previous range to see where it's going to turn in terms of the price. And this is actually no astrology involved in here at all. This is just pure price giving you answers that's already happened, the range. So if you wanted to put planetary lines, of course you can see what planets are involved in this as well, but it just puts too much on one chart. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for listening.